thought I was bugging out. I went and looked at my window and seen this. Look at the bird. I can't find out where this motherfucker is. Because every time I go like this, oh, he left. Finally. Because I was opening the blind and nothing was happening. It was tripping me out. Anyway, nature at its finest. Good night or good morning.